snowed in the valley last night. That means the good snow isn't far from here. Bring extra clothes, first aid kit, shovel, an axe, come along, tow strap, jumper cables. You never really know what you're gonna need. Checked all the fluids already. It's ready to get after it. Conditions are looking good so far. It's only sunny side. Almost to Green Peter Dam and it's already getting covered. One thing I can say about driving in the snow is just because there's an easy center road, I wouldn't recommend driving in it. You get stuck in that, somebody coming back down, neither one of you might be able to get out of that center rut. That's super dangerous. You can see the middle of the road. There's no reason to drive there. Flying corners, bad idea. So after I put the front mount on, I decided to build a skid plate. Well, this is why. Literally just drove right over that thing. It didn't hurt nothing. Look at that, yeah. Hidden in the snow, right on the side of the road. Be wary driving through fresh pow. Ooh, it's coming down in Sweet Home. Brought that stuff from the hills with me. Bubba, you getting snow covered? Good boy. Oh yeah, good boy. You show him how much snow there is. Jasper.